Considering analysis in critical discourse analysis, there are as many different approaches to analysis within critical discourse analysis as there are theories and problems to be studied. So we can have a variety of approaches to analysis. So what is important is that analyses are connected to the theories of social word and a theory of language. And beyond that, there are a lot of methods varies, but these two things are always there. The view of method, what is the method of different methods of analysis? Obviously, we have a research topic and a set of theoretical frames to research topic, and then select appropriate method depending on the questions being asked and theories to be used. So some analysts draw on extensive field work to get data for their research. Others collect corpuses of text from archives. They look at the work already done in the form of text. Some look at the website and get material from those websites, and some through the news sources. So there are different types of material collection methods. Some methods are less linguistically focused and more focused on the context in which the discourse arises. In some, the researchers is looking more on other aspect than the linguistic aspect of the discourse. Some foreground micro level issues, others the impact of global issues on local discourses. So these are varieties of research topics that people choose to analyze, right? They belong to local and as well as international perspectives. Most influential tradition of critical approaches. So we have James G. So James G is the one who has given us an approach to analyze the critical discourse. Then we have Norman Fairclough, and then we have Gunther Kress. Remember that they don't have, or we do not use their individual methods. We cannot and should not assign each scholar to one approach to critical discourse analysis, because each scholar has developed and drawn on different theories and methods over time, many of which overlap. So their approaches are mixed. They overlap. They have taken different methods, different theories, right? And these theories sometimes overlap each other. So these researchers would all embrace the concept of methodological hybridity. They have mixed up different methods. They freely admit that their methods are drawn from a wide range of scholarship. So some of them have taken from social semiotics, other from linguistics, some other from Marxist. So they have taken their method from different schools of thought, different methods, different theories that are found in the word of in the word, right? So we cannot say that each one of Fairclough has this approach. It can some part of it can be found with other approach or in other approach.